Let's reset, try again. So we gotta play a missile command game. That's fine. I can do that. But I was expecting something a bit more, I don't know, spectacular. And 25k 300, I don't know if someone really played a long time here, because then I'm gonna abandon it. I'm not a fan of these kind of games. Okay, and now it says nothing.
Get ready.
Oh, okay, they're very...
Get ready.
Reminds me of the Mexico announcer. Oh, that was for naught. 2 times in a row. Nice, good job, Drake. This little mock, get out of here. Ole, Mexico! Welcome, Brandfu, to that chat. Crazy score, Brand. I played Mexico the most because it was the table I liked the most. I checked. I was like, hey, Brand is always voting so nicely for me. I gotta check out if he did some more scores, because maybe I just didn't catch it. And then it says the 86 retro, and I'm like, right, really? He did the 86 retro, and he did. And like, world record? You for real, dude? You and GPI are just destroying fucking Zacharia Pinball. I'm gonna play this now with joystick because I hate playing this with mouse.
Get ready.
The recording cleverly omits my previous 50 failed attempts. That is very clever indeed, and very welcome as well. There we go. Those are the good ones. We need those predicts. Oh, we can get those too before it's too late. Ooh, that was a good one as well. Okay. They will have a collision point about here. Oh no, well, we gotta do him solo. We still get enough shots.
Get ready.
Okay, so let's wait. Oh, they got a very... shite. And I thought it was a lucky intersection here. But look at me thinking and failing. 2 things that shouldn't work at the same time. Because you can clearly... Oh no, I overlooked that one. I overlooked that one. Too bad. No, what? I thought I had this one. Fuck me.
Get ready.
Ah, I hate missile command games. They're the worst. Now I'm short on ammo due to that very unfortunate shot I've taken. Okay, so we gotta protect this one here, right? And this one. Okay, and there's a horizontal limit. Get ready. He was here before, Brent. Did you see his full Seinfeld run yesterday? I wasn't able to catch the end since I went to sleep early to watch some movies. Or TV series? No, I'm dead! Spam it all before it's too late. Fuck me. I'm gonna use my one shot here. Get more points. Ooh! Ooh! Why? What? What? Did you see that? The game was like, I'm gonna give you back that one thing here. When it was already in the height where it couldn't be deflected anymore. That was some cheap shot right there. You know what? This looks like a lot of points, so I'm gonna take this one here. The only one that can hurt me, so let's get rid of him. We're still in the game. Not the way I wanted it to, but we're still in the game. The record is 25,300. I hope I'll break it so I can... No, he was playing Kingsfield, and I called it Seinfeld. Every time Steve opens a chest and then he comes back and it's locked, you hear like bow, ba-dang, ba-ding, be-dle-doo,
Get ready.
Oh, you intercept here? Why? Because I told you so. Don't you say I told you so. Oh, I'm gonna take you on, boys. Here we go.
Get ready.
I was lurking partly AFK, was make good progress now after slow start. Nice. Hey, this game is tough. Ain't nothing for me. I love watching Steve play it. Ain't nothing for me though. I will have to get rid of you this way. Okay, we take it.
Get ready.
I should have played it right from the get-go with joystick. Ooh. Oh baby, it's a triple. Ooh, lucky. Yep. All those that needed guidance were guided. Good enough for me. I'm a bit starstruck still, but it seems to work out, so... Get some points. There we go. Oh, you can't damage your cities with your own bombs. I think Spectrum version was less forgiving.
Get ready.
It's always fair to bring the Spectrum comparison because I hardly know it, and so I can learn something about it, Bren. See, like, this is a platform obviously you have a lot of experience with, and I just sadly don't. So for me, every time you give me new Spectrum fact, I'm just like, Fupa! Spectrum, Fupa! Oh! Okay, thank you, game. That was very kind of you to let me know that in theory, hitting 30k gives me something I cannot use.
Get ready.
Oh, too short? Okay. Come on.
Get ready.
I'd taken the dog at Roxy around. Hey, enjoy your day, Steppy. Thanks for coming through. And who knows, maybe I'll be up to check out some Blaze Blue if it's still a game that you would play on our Discord. Then I think I would deem it very possible that I'll check it out. After Strife is such... Yeah. Did I just say that? Ooh, triple.
Get ready.
I'm still here. Fupa! Fupa! Yeah, you know, Steve, when you're training games, I don't want to bother you, like, keep you from playing those games. Already, like, streaming and playing Tetris is such a hard thing. You need to focus on so many things. Especially with the shittiest version of Tetris being the Game Boy version. Unpopular opinion, but it's my honest opinion. This game was just made to make people go crazy.
Get ready.
Tsubaki? You're playing every character now, Steppy. That's not how it works, but okay, I'll pick up a new character then as well. Then it's fair and fun. Until you realize which character I'm going to pick up. Then you're like, okay, now let's go back to Dragon Ball or something else. good enough. This game has mouse controls, but somehow my mouse I have, because it's a wireless mouse, for how my setup is structured, is not doing its job well enough so I can use it for exactly that reason. Okay, they're getting faster now, which means I can get more money now. This one is heading straight for me. Could have made a pair out of them. I'm so close to getting my old one back, but I also know that it's going to be shattered, because with 15 shots, there's not much you can do about it. There we go. See? Now I have to defend 2 of them at the same time. Which is not possible, it seems. Fuck me.
Get ready.
In before Jake becomes an Izanami main. He knows already. He knows already. Yeah, I always wanted to learn her, so I was like, I could in theory just play Izanami. Like, Bang was already shit to play, so why not Izanami? Not gonna make that big of a difference at that point. I'm used to execution.
Get ready.
Yay, we're alive. Boom. That's just how it goes, Bran.
Get ready. Get ready.
How long can we go with just one? There's gotta be a point where it's too much and too hectic, so I cannot really defend it anymore, right? Okay, that was shit. But I'm glad to report that I somehow managed to save that.
Get ready. Get ready.
That's getting interesting. Ooh, that was a beautiful one. Hmm. Huh? Ooh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. I gotta defend 2 now, which is not that good, but it's good. Right? Let's say yes. Come on. Nice.
Get ready.
Okay, I'm just gonna watch. Okay, never mind. 53,200. Nice. That's a new record. So, missile 53,200. We more than doubled the old record, so goodbye. I don't want to play this again.